Today, chicken farms have become an important symbol of modern agriculture, not only providing abundant, high-quality food for people but also creating sustainable environmental and economic value. With the advancement of technology and modern farming techniques, chicken farms are constantly being improved to meet the ever-increasing market demand while ensuring superior product quality. At the farm, the chicken raising process follows strict standards. From selecting breeds to care and harvest, the chickens are raised in clean, airy environments with special attention to their nutrition and care to ensure they grow healthily. Additionally, the farm emphasizes animal welfare, ensuring that the chickens are raised in natural conditions, free from stress, resulting in the best quality meat and eggs. Moreover, the farm adopts modern technologies such as automated feeding and watering systems, optimizing the farming process, reducing manual labor, and increasing productivity. Environmental protection measures such as the use of renewable energy and waste management are also strictly implemented, ensuring sustainability for both the farm and the surrounding environment. The farm is not only a food supplier but also a part of a sustainable supply chain, contributing to the development of the local agricultural economy and creating jobs for many workers. More importantly, consumers can be completely confident about the product's origins, as every step from breeding to processing is closely monitored and inspected. This not only protects public health but also raises awareness about sustainable consumption. With dedication and serious investment, modern chicken farms are not just production facilities but also exemplary models of sustainable agricultural development, connecting people, nature, and technology.